Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing in Roblox. And Roblox, I see you I believe that I don't recommendly remember what I was playing, so I will click because I have bad memory. I can't remember my childhood. No, not half things. Yesterday and other days. What is that? Hold on. The ferry ride. Pig with the pumpkin head. Nope. Oh, and also, before you check out this video, go ahead and check out the passenger story, hide and seek story, the babysitter story, arm story, and Mary in the mirror, the story that I did earlier. Today we're probably doing the a storm. That's what we're probably doing. I don't know, but let's get into. Oh, make sure you subscribe, comment, and like. I don't know. I don't remember what we're doing because I have bad memory sight. And I believe we're doing a storm. Yes, we are doing a storm. So hopefully, Nick and Gorga. I'll go name her Gorga. Don't mind me. Instead, name her. It's okay. Had enjoyed their 2 weeks vacation at a lake, and they were just packing up at the car or for a long ride back home. I wish we can stay for another week, says Gorga, said loudly. Yeah, me too, Nick said in agreement. So the girl's Gorga, and the boy is Stockland, and the boy's Nick. What the? I was like, what the? I'm like, oh, wait. Nick started the car, turned the radio to listen to the weathercast. If you're traveling on Route 23 or 17 tonight, expect a severe thunderstorm and flooding in the most areas in the radio. Blur. Ah, man, are you serious? Nick responded. It's okay, honey. We'll be fine. Gorga assured him. Wait. I did that wrong. Nick started the car. Wait. If you're traveling in Route 23 or 17 tonight, expect a severe thunderstorm and flooding in the most areas. The area blurred. Ah, man, are you serious? Nick responded. It's okay, honey. We will be fine, Gorga assumed him. He pulled out the road, headed towards Route 17. There won't be as much flooding on 17, so we will take that, Nick said. What? Oh. Sounds good to me, poopy head, Gorga replied. They both cracked up. That's not a funny joke. What's funny about it? After about an hour of driving, the clouds began moving in. Storm is coming! The storm's coming! Nick said to Gorga. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be a rough one, Gorga responded. They told you not to go on 17. You should have gone on 37. Soon the rain had started invisibly, It's getting lower and lower. It's also getting dark, Nick and Gorga embrace themselves for the worst. They told you not to take a 37, she said. It is going to be a huge storm on road 37, 5, or 15. You should have took 37. You should have took 47. You should have took 47. The rain quickly turned into dangerous. It's pouring down. Nick grasped the street wheel hard as he struck the blinding rain, and then suddenly a deer jumped out of the road right in front of them. Nick hit the brakes and spun off the road, and the trees eased with the running thunder. It smashed the tall lights, but they were okay. The deer went off to the roof. You know how it says it's smashing the tail light. Bombaya! Ooh, is that blood? No. Nick pulled over and got to check the damage. Before pulling back into the car, getting back into the car. It was just a tall light and scratching bumper. He told Gorga, "Oh, thank heavens! Is that was frightening?" She replied, "Yes, it was." Nick replied. They slowly drove on. What is she doing here? I don't know, but okay. Okay. Honey, we are pulling over at first place as we were coming to. Ooh, we can't wait out the storm. It's getting worse and worse, Nick said. You don't have a conversation with me. I'm Orga agreed. Ooh, bruh, they told you do not take 30, 23, or 17 road, because there's going to be a huge storm. After spending half an hour of driving, Gorga spotted something up ahead. Look, I think there's is a diner up there, she said. Awesome. Let's just hope it's open all night, Nick replied, half joking. But they both laughed. You see a diner? Yeah, I see a diner. If you see a diner and you think it's open, do not go. When they pulled up to the diner, the non-unsigned says open, Gorga, and get out and sigh of relief. Yes, it's Gorga. Gorga yelled happily. Thank heavens, Nick replied. They said thank heavens 2 times. The last time Gorga said thank heavens, and now Nick says thank heavens. They thank in the heavens. The two conversations with Nick and the raincoat and hustled into the diner. And hustled. What if it's abandoned? You don't know if it's abandoned, bro. You don't know. You just look. Oh, no one's here. The night was very nice inside. The owner introduced herself as a married couple named Sevilla and Josh. They seem to be sweet people. Sevilla handed up menus as they talk about the storm. Yeah, this storm is crazy, Sevilla said. Hey, I think I said her name right. Sevilla? Yeah, Sevilla. Yeah, I said Josh, right? I don't. These people who create names for the girls and boys, or some of the boys and half all the girls are so crazy. I can't even pronounce them. After a short time, Sevilla took their order and went back behind the counter to help Josh make the food. Wow, they're so nice, Gorga said. Gorga said. I know, right? Josh agreed. Sevilla was back with their order after a minute. Wow, that was so fast. As Gorga said, a surprise is that we are known for fast service and great food. Sevilla went back behind the counter with Josh. That was fast, bro. That was. Anyways, let's go on. Okay. After they had finished eating, Sevilla spilled goodbye to take their plate, ate, and filled their coffee cups while leaving a bill on the table. Gorga and Nick barely noticed that they sat for an hour or until the storm has passed then. We don't know what's happened. Gorga and Nick left money on the table, along with a very nice tip. They thank Sevilla and Josh for great food and service. As they head out the door, Josh and Sevilla wave goodbye interestedly. So I'm saying, but never mind. What's gonna happen next? While after a terrifying experiment with the deer and the storm, and was wonderful way that put it all behind us. Gorga said happily, agreed totally. What a great couple at the diner. Nick responded. The sun was already coming up. They got some great service there, man. Man, nice please. Thank you. Oh, wait. I can't see. Let me zoom in. Ooh, let me zoom in. Ooh, yeah. Anyway, they needed some gas. So at the gas station, they pulled in a man and came out to greet them. Nick asked the man to fill it up, and he began to pump the gas as Gorga told him that they had just eaten at Sevilla and Josh diner. Ooh, he gonna say something bad about them. He probably gonna say something bad about them. Ooh, what he gonna say? Josh and Sevilla, you two are way too young to know about them. The man said. Oh, Gorga replied. Well, we just ate at their diner. They were so nice. Gorga reached it. That's impossible. They died over 25 years ago. 25 years ago. The diner is burned down with them in it. The man finished. Ooh, told you he was gonna say something bad. He probably. Ooh, no. Gorga and Nate were shocked. Anyways, you must be talking about some other diner. The man said. Nick paid the men and went back inside. The two got back in the car and sat there in total silence for a good 5 minutes. Ooh, what's gonna happen next? Them dead. They dead. No way, we got it wrong, Nick, he said quietly. we're going back, like, aren't we? Going to ask. I think we need to, ooh, honey, unless as you want to live with thinking we're both crazy, Nick said.